We will go over study problem 5-11. So we are to analyze three different investments and basically compare those investments. So we have our very first offer is $1,000 today. The second offer is $10,000 in 12 years, and the final offer is $25,000 in 25 years. Knowing that you can earn 11% on your money, so this is kind of your opportunity cost on any of your investments. So how to deal with it? So let's start with the first one. So we are offered $10,000, so it is very convenient to probably so the present value of the initial one, so we can call it the blue investment, is basically $1,000 today. Now let's have a look at the second one, so we can call it the blue one, the number blue. How about the present value of the red investment? So the present value of the red investment is equal to, well, we are offered $10,000, but the receipts will be, so we will be receiving that amount in 12 years. So we need to discount it, So we have $10,000, that's the future value, and we should be discounting it at 1 plus 0.11%, that's our interest rate, at 12 years. So having discounted this for 12 years, the $10,000, that should return a $2,858 today. Wow, so the $10,000 in 12 years is worth $2,800 today. So now just simply comparing the red versus the blue investment, it's obvious that the red investment is superior, right? So that's pretty clear. Now finally, let's have a look at the present value of the green investment. So in that case, we are promised a $25,000 return, but in 25 years instead. So the present value of this, so you do this calculation with your financial calculator, will be equal to $1,840 in today's dollar term. Well, now comparing simply the blue and the green, obviously the green is still, the green is better. So regardless, both the green and the red investment outperforms the blue investment. So, but how about comparing the red and the green? Well, it's obvious that the red has a higher present value than the green. So in that case, it is obvious that the red is better than the green. So ultimately, if we ranked these investments, the ranking would have been as follows. So obviously the red investment would be the best one, followed by the green investment, followed by the blue investment. So we would definitely prefer to have $10,000, so that's our first choice. $10,000 in basically 12 years. In 12 years is better than having $25,000 in 25 years, which is better than having simply $1,000 right now, right now. So that's one way to approach this problem. Alternatively, we could have used our financial calculator, particularly to calculate the present value of the red and the present value of the green. Let me quickly show you how alternatively these can be done. It would be the same outcome, obviously, but just using a financial calculator. So using our financial calculator for the red first, number of years is, I believe it was 12 years. The interest rate is 11%. The present value is our question mark. The payments, this is not a stream of payments, so that's obviously 0. And the future value, we are being promised a $10,000 return. So we compute our present value, the present value, how much this investment is worth, and it comes out as 25. I believe it was 28.58. We do the same thing for the other investment. So this one was the, I believe, red investment. Okay, so for the blue, we have 25 years. I over Y is the same. Our discount rate is 11%. The present value is our concern as well. The payments, no payments. This is not a stream of payments, and we are promised $25,000 at the end of this 25-year investment horizon. So we compute the present value of this investment, and it comes out as I believe it was 1840, right? Is pretty much the same, therefore. Regardless, you can use a financial calculator, you can use the formula and a scientific calculator. Regardless, you get the same answer. It turns out that the investment which promises you $10,000 in 12 years is the superior investment, followed by the investment which offers you $25,000 in 25 years. And that completes our solution, and we are